guys, so I got some good news and I got some really bad news. Well, it's not really bad news. Y'all know what it is. Every week I tell you that the inventory is up and the sales are down. That's basically the gist of things. So I'm going to try to keep it very brief. This week, I got to tell you that the inventory is up. It's 1.5% increase, which is about 475 more units than we had last week. Now, how does this work? Like every week, this guy's telling me the inventory is going up, inventory is going up, but things might get better. And this is why. January 1st to April 30th, we saw an increase of about 3.8%, which was about 780 units every single week coming to the market. But from May 7th to June 18th, we only saw an increase of 2.2%, which was 645 units per week. Even if I take out one of those weeks that did really badly or we had an increase of inventory, we'd probably be down lower, closer to like under the 2 points and probably closer to the 500 units coming up onto the market. So the way I'm looking at it is that we're starting to see a little bit of a slowdown in inventory coming onto the market. The other thing I want to share with you again is that from basically January 1st to today's date, we have 119% more inventory, which is about 17,763 units. Yes, that's quite a lot of inventory to pick up in about half a year. But if I look at June 18th, today's date versus last year, we actually have a 36.5% increase in inventory, which is about 8,753 units. So it's not as bad as the January 1st to today's date, but compared to last year, it sounds better. In terms of sales, year to date, our sales are starting to get better year to date. We are starting to close that gap slowly. We are closing it. So we're still down 20.3% or 6,917 units. But there is a good mix over here. So the freehold is down just under 18%, which is just under 3,800 units. And the condo sales are down 24.3%, which is about 3,118 units. So I still think that we're probably going to see that freehold gap get smaller and the condo gap get bigger. And week over week, what we saw is that we dropped off by 14.5% in sales or 222 units. And there's a reason for that, because last week when I reported, our sales number or our average sales price was down, and that's why our sales were increased. That's actually 2 weeks ago. But you see, this is a direct correlation. So now that our sales are kind of down, our prices are actually up. So when I compare the 1 week sales versus the 52-week average, we're actually up 0.5% in average selling price, which is about $5,634. And if I look at it week over week, we're actually up 2.7% in average selling price, which is just under $30,000. So you see that directly correlates. The note here I would say for today is that the G7 summit is going on right now in Alberta. Apparently Trump and Carney have been talking, and they're saying that there could be a deal coming in the next 30 days. I think that will add some stability to what is going on over here. And like I say every week, everyone's situation is a little bit different. If you guys are thinking about buying or selling real estate, I think that there is a category or two over here that it still makes sense for. Shoot me a DM. Happy to get on a quick call with you guys and discuss what you guys are looking to do. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the week, and we'll talk next week. Cheers.